Mayor Jerry Cans Open Invitational Basketball Tournament. CM Farm Basketball versus Arno CDO. Canoy. 3 points, Canoy. Ayosing to Diop. 2 points. Check. Rayson. Pass to Diop. 2 points. Diop. Canoy. Reverse. 2 points. Back to Rayson. Saga. 2 points. Gandang pasa galing kay Rayson. Pasa kay Sakor. 2 points. Ted Saga. Ball up, Jay. 2 points. Bounce pass. Sakor. Turn around. Basket and 1. Pass. To jersey number 11. 3 points. Land pass to Sakor. 2 points. Rayson. 2 points. Diop. Rayson. Ball up, Jay. 2 points. Rayson. Rayson for 3. Wala. Ted Saga put back. Diop. Ted Saga 1 hand. 2 points. Ayosing bounce pass to Saga. 2 points. Mabandang tira. Pasok yan. Kabahog to Saga again. Diop. Extra pass to Kabahog. Rayson for 3. Court. Rayson. Pass to Lanito. Natin for 3. Go. Tinuluyan. 3 points. Go. Tatlo laban sa isa. Sakor. 2 points. Laniton. Pasa kay Go. Go. 3 points. JB Mantelia. To Salarda. For 3. Evo Salarda. To Nunag. Aliyo pass. To Salarda. Mantelia lumapit. Pass to Nunag. Nunag pull up J. 2 points. Laniton. 2 points. Ginitaran. Pass to Sevilla. Bank shot. 2 points. 3 points. Evo Salarda. Exit out. Mantelia. Entalian. Long 3. Entalian. Mantelia. Evo Salarda. Evo Salarda. Woo! Put back by Nunag. Agbong. Ear drop. 2 points. AJ Agbong. Pass break to 1,000 cc. 1,000 cc. Easy basket. Simple basketball. Mahinay. 2 points. Rebound by. What a nice pass galing kay Sakayan. Sakor. Basket and 1. Canoy. Bounce pass to Sakor. 2 points. Canoy. 2 points. Evo Salarda for 3. Evo. Exit out to Delator for 3. Jillian Delator. Lumapit. Canoy. 2 points. Pasaol. Gustong sumubok. Alvin Pasaol. Sakayan. Pass to Canoy. Side step. Behind the back pass by Canoy to guarded by Agbong. 2 points. Support. Puerto pass break to Canoy. 2 points. Lunag. 2 points. 3 points. Kinitaran. Lunag. All up J. 2 points. AJ Sakayan. Sa court. Delator. 2 points. Ted Saga. Alvin Pasaol. Cross pass to JB Mantelia for 3. Jillian Delator. Delator! May fans pa si Delator ha, kahit alas 10 na. Sakor. Turn around. 2 points, Sakor. Laniton for 3. Nunag. Turn around. 2 points. Jersey number 11, Laniton. Alvin Pasaol. Not good. Pass break. To Nunag. Nunag. Lunag shoot! 360 gap by Lunag. Congratulations! CM Fire Basketball! Final score na 169. Winner, CM Fire Basketball. Kita-kita po tayo bukas. Kalaban po ang Marina Bay.